Want to build muscle fast without ever stepping foot into a gym? You're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate bodyweight exercises that will transform your body, build strength, and get you those gains all without needing expensive equipment. Stick around because I'm revealing the exact tips and techniques to see results in weeks, not months. Let's dive in. The science of building muscle with bodyweight. Before we jump into the exercises, let's bust a myth. A lot of people think you can't build muscle without lifting weights. That's simply not true. Your muscles don't care if you're lifting a barbell or your own body, they grow when you challenge them. The key is resistance, proper form, and progressive overload. And here's the kicker. Bodyweight exercises engage multiple muscle groups at once, making them far more efficient than many gym machines. Imagine getting double the results in half the time. Sounds good, right? Let's get started. Exercise 1: push-ups with variation. First up, the classic push-up. But wait, don't scroll away just yet. There's a reason push-ups are king when it comes to bodyweight exercises. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. Plus, with a few simple tweaks, you can level them up to keep challenging your muscles. Start with standard push-ups. Focus on keeping your body in a straight line. Go slow 3 seconds down, hold for 1 second, and push up explosively. Diamond push-ups. These are great for isolating your triceps. Bring your hands together to form a diamond shape and feel the burn. Archer push-ups. Shift your weight from one side to the other with each rep to build unilateral strength. Here's a pro tip. If you can already do 20 push-ups, try the explosive clap push-up. It's not just a cool party trick. It forces your muscles to fire at maximum intensity for explosive power. Exercise 2: pull-ups. Now let's talk about pull-ups, the ultimate upper body muscle builder. They target your back, biceps, and even your grip strength. But what if you don't have a pull-up bar? Don't worry, I've got you covered with alternatives. Use a sturdy door, wrap a towel over the top of your door, close it tightly, and use it to perform doctor pull-ups. Bodyweight rows. All you need is a low table. Lie underneath, grab the edge, and pull yourself up. And if pull-ups are too hard, here's a game-changing hack. Use a chair to assist you. Place one foot on the chair for support and gradually reduce the assistance as you get stronger. Exercise 3: squats and explosive variations. Leg day is not optional, even in bodyweight training. Squats are your go-to for building powerful quads, hamstrings, and glutes. But if basic squats feel too easy, let's turn up the heat. Jump squats. Explode upwards as you come out of the squat position. This not only builds muscle, but also improves athleticism. Pistol squats. These one-legged squats are a true test of strength and balance. Start by holding onto a wall for support if needed. Bulgarian split squats. Place one leg on a surface behind you and squat down. This isolates each leg for better muscle engagement. Did you know that squats also release growth hormones, helping your entire body grow stronger? So if you've been skipping leg day, you're leaving gains on the table. Exercise 4: planks and dynamic core workout. Let's move on to the core, the foundation of all strength. A strong core isn't just for six-pack abs. It stabilizes your entire body and improves your performance in every exercise. Standard plank. Hold a plank for 30-60 seconds, focusing on keeping your back straight and engaging your abs. Plank shoulder taps. While in a plank position, alternate tapping each shoulder without letting your hips sway. Dynamic mountain climbers. These are like planks on steroids. Bring your knees to your chest explosively for a killer cardio and core combo. Think planks are boring? Here's a challenge. Try the side plank with a hip dip. Lower and raise your hips for an added burn. Your obliques will thank you. Exercise 5: dips for triceps and shoulders. Now, let's focus on the arms, particularly the triceps. Dips are an underrated exercise that packs a punch. All you need is a sturdy chair or a bench. Chair dips. Sit on the edge of a chair. Place your hands on the edge and lower your body down. Elevated dips. Place your feet on another surface for a greater range of motion. Here's a fun fact. Triceps make up 60% of your upper arm. So if you want bigger arms, don't just focus on biceps. Dips are your secret weapon. Exercise 6 lunges for total lower body development. Lunges are another powerhouse move for building muscle and improving balance. They target your glutes, hamstrings, quads, and even your core. Forward lunges step forward, keeping your knee at a 90-degree angle. Alternate legs for a full lower body workout. Jumping lunges explode into the air and switch legs mid-jump. This is perfect for building explosive power. Side lunges target your inner thighs and improve lateral movement. Pro tip: want to make lunges even more effective? Hold a weighted object like a backpack filled with books or bottles of water. Your muscles will work overtime. 8. Progressive overload in bodyweight training. By now, you might be wondering, how do I keep getting stronger if I'm not adding weights? The answer is progressive overload. It's the secret sauce to building muscle with bodyweight exercises. Increase reps. Start with 10-12 reps and gradually work your way up. Add time under tension. Slow down the movements to challenge your muscles even more. Try advanced variations. Once you master the basics, level up with more challenging exercises like one-arm push-ups or single-leg squats. How to structure your workout. Now that you've got the exercises, let's talk about putting it all together. Here's a sample workout you can try. Push-ups, 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Pull-ups, 3 sets of 8-10 reps. Squats, 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Planks, 3 sets of 30-60 seconds. Dips, 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Lunges, 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Here's a bonus. Do this workout 3 times a week, and you'll start seeing noticeable changes in just 4 weeks. Don't believe me? Try it and let the results speak for themselves. Remember, building muscle isn't just about the exercises. It's about consistency, effort, and pushing yourself to be better every single day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who needs this. Until next time, stay strong, stay consistent, and keep crushing those workouts. You've got this.